Hi, it's Matt from Octane Specialist Cars. I hope you're well. Just going to do a quick walk around video of this of the latest Volkswagen Transporter T6.1 we've been lucky enough to find and bring into stock. So where do we start with this one? It's got a long list of extras. This, not only does it look absolutely superb, does a Transporter actually get to look any better than this in pure grey? The colour, the accents, the ABT kit, and then there's the spec with this one, which is just takes a minute to read through it. So where do I start? 2021 registered vehicle. It's a 2-litre TDI 150 DSG automatic in pure grey, which is a stunning colour, as you can see. Grey cloth interior. Specification includes the ABT colour coded body kit. It's got 20-inch black alloys. It's got a brand new set of tyres wrapped around those alloys, which have just been fitted just the day before last. New sidebars, trapezoids. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, a carpeted and insulated rear and sides for the added comfort, and we all know that makes them a hell of a lot quieter and aesthetically just looks great. So we've got an upgraded sound system, which is complete with a Sub Woofer, drop-down screen in the rear, which I'll show you in a minute, which can be wirelessly streamed to and provides that on-the-go entertainment. We've got swivel seats to the front on the captain's chairs, so they're already included. We've got 4 USB sockets for charging all the devices, air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation through the Apple CarPlay and Android Audio, a sound system in this van which is absolutely fantastic to listen to on the go. I've probably just listed there circa 10 grand's worth of options before we've even got into the nooks and crannies of this van. It's a beautiful looking thing. We bought it directly from the previous owner. It's still going through our preparation, so a few bits left to do in it, but nothing other than a few cosmetics. Right, let's take a look around it. Pure grey, 6.1 DSG 150 ABT kit, park distance control to the front, as you can see. What a colour. A few stone chips on the bonnet. Nothing too major, just a couple of, lived down a farm lane, and I think it's just caught it over the years there as we've gone through. But that's going to be rectified. We're going to get those. We're going to get the bonnet stone chips sorted. Original glass all the way around the van, which is nice to see. As you can see down both sides, it's lovely. A couple of wee scratches there, but nothing too serious. Just want a slight bit of touch up. Wheels, brand new tyres, 20-inch. Really suit this in black. Really suit it. Really straight down both sides. Front road wheel, again, brand new tyre. No curb. Slight edge there on that one. Just wants touching. Doesn't really want a refurb. Auto lights. Here we go. Near side front wheel, perfect. Lovely. Side down sides. Nice slight little scratch there, as you can see, and one there again just wants filling in. This van will be ceramic coated and machine polished before it goes out as well. I'm just doing this video in preparation before that actually. So moving into the rear, we've got the split fold rear seats, the drop down TV, which is super cool. Like I say, you can stream to that and do what you want with there in terms of media watching. Into the rear, carpeted all the way through, Kenwood speakers in the rear 3/4. This is insulated, all sounded. The option was put in on with this van of having a 3rd row of seats in the rear should you wish. It's already got the seatbelt harnesses built in, so if you wanted to go to a 8 seat, it's doable. Or you can use those anchor points for bikes or other things. Tailgate van, great condition. A couple of little entry marks down there to note on the plastic, but nothing too serious. Floors not too bad, like I say, it's just waiting for a deep clean, so we've got a little bit more work to do there. Lights, toggle switch on. Like I say, TV, superb bit of kit. HDMI cable over there and the master toggle switch. These seats in the front swivel, so they're a swivel seat. There we go. And captain's chairs. 55,000 miles this van, just 55,000 miles. Full Volkswagen history and just been serviced by ourselves at a specialist diesel centre. So it's all good to go. Couple of little kick marks there, just on the plastics. I'm being pretty critical, but it's good to point out. Everything's nice. That's the remote control for the TV, which is remote control the operator. So moving back round the back of the vehicle, tow bar, tailgate, carpeted in the rear of the tailgate. There we go. Really nice in the back. All carpeted over the arch liners. Ports for chargers all the way through. Really taken some serious thought in how this has been prepped. Like I say, probably spent circa 10 grand on this all the way through. One little chip there which wants touching in. Again, I'm being pretty critical. Back into the front of the vehicle, it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Audio, as I said. Steering wheel, good condition, nice. DSG, park distance. Sound system is absolutely wonderful in this thing. Auto lighting, 2 keys, 55,600 miles, heated mirrors and folding mirrors. Nice down the door edges, all the stickers in all the right places. Driver's seat, brilliant, absolutely.